Hey everyone, so on our last video I used a round and I just want to use up what paint I have left, and I used a little too much color. I thought it's still beautiful, but I'm going to try using a little bit less this time. So I'm going to go ahead and get my white down. This is very thin consistency. I did put a little gack in there to keep it from cracking or crazing. And that is the GAC 800 from Golden. Okay, so let me pop those air bubbles real quick. So we'll see if I can go sparingly on the colors. I'm a little heavy-handed. So this is our Galaxy Blue. These are Parage Posse paints that I custom mix. They're available through our group, the Parage Posse, on Facebook. This is Sleeping Beauty Turquoise. This is our Parage Posse Purple. It's a custom mix. They all have iridescence to them, so they all shimmer beautifully. And then, of course, this is the Deco Art 24 karat gold. I like the reactions that you get with that. I think I'll put just a touch of blue on top of that. I may pull green, but we'll see. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put my white around. And we're going to take our hair dryer. We're going to push and then push back out. But I'm going to go ahead and turn this on, so you might want to turn your volume down. Definitely got my blue on that one. So I'm going to take my airbrush now and just touch up spots where I want it more wispy, because I don't really blow. I'm not a good blower, let's say that. I want to find some of that purple in there. It's there just a little bit. Of course the gold is all in the center, and that's fine. Was our highlight color. Let's see, somewhere here. I'm backwards in my camera, so I have to find it. I think that's all I'm going to do to it. I kind of am loving it right there. So I'm going to go ahead and torch. Pop all those air bubbles out. And now I'm going to call this one done. So if you haven't subscribed yet, click on that and click on the bell. You'll be notified when I upload another video. Click like and share and leave a comment. Join us on Facebook, the Parage Posse with Christina Welch. And also my art page is on there as well, Christina Welch Art. I'm on Instagram as Welch Art. Check out the links below for Amazon for all your paint pouring supplies. Etsy for jewelry. We are going to be getting some paintings in there very soon. I'm working with my son right now to find a good spot to photograph outside, because you get the true colors that way. And a stone coat, art coat, resin coat is below, as well as our fan mail box, post office box, and our PayPal donation. We do a quarterly giveaway for all of our channel sponsors, and we usually let them pick a painting of their choice, or I will make one for them. But thanks so much for watching, guys. Auction was Sunday, and if you missed it, just check out the Etsy because everything else will be in there. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you all on the next one. Bye now.